This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by inspecting the rim, net, and all clips for tears or bent metal. This prevents early failure. Once you confirm parts are good, orient the net's marked seam toward your first clip and seat the first loop over the rim. Make sure the net hole aligns with the clip opening before you snap it closed. You want a secure initial anchor. Once that first clip holds, the rest of the process tracks off that reference point and stays evenly distributed. You now lace the net around the rim with an even pattern to avoid puckering. Work clockwise and attach every second loop first to create uniform spacing. Once those anchors are set, return and fill in the alternating gaps. As you go, pull the net with steady, repeatable tension so no one side is tighter than the other. That balance preserves bounce. If a clip resists, use a rubber mallet or a dedicated tool to seat it. Make sure your hands are clear when you tap. You finish by setting final tension so the net is firm yet has a slight give. Check roughly 8 to 12 equally spaced points around the rim for consistency. Once done, perform 3 to 4 short bounces from the center to verify a true rebound and watch for sagging or directional bias. If the bounce favors one side, loosen the nearby clips about 1/2 turn, retension those sections, and test again. Troubleshooting tip: if clips pop off, reseat the rim lip and inspect for debris that prevents proper engagement.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.